In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically mute your microphone when joining Zoom meetings. This is a simple setting that can save you from awkward moments and help you control when your voice goes live. By the end, your mic will start out muted every time you enter a meeting, and you can choose to briefly unmute with a single key if you want. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app, but don't join a meeting yet. From the main Zoom window, look for your profile picture in the top corner. If you don't see one, you'll see a small gear icon for settings. Click that to open the settings panel. Inside settings, look at the left side and select audio. This section holds everything related to your microphone and speakers. In the main audio panel, find the option labeled Mute my microphone when joining a meeting. Check that box. That's the key setting. With this enabled, Zoom will automatically start you off muted every time you enter a meeting, including scheduled calls, instant meetings, and meetings you're invited to. You'll still see the microphone icon on the Zoom toolbar, but it will have a slash through it to indicate you're muted. When you're ready to speak, you can click the mic icon to unmute, then click it again to mute. If you prefer a push-to-talk style, there's an optional setting right in the same audio section. Press and hold space key to temporarily unmute. Turn this on if you like the idea of staying muted by default and only unmuting while you hold down the space bar. It works like a walkie-talkie. Hold to speak, release to mute again. This is great for large meetings where you only need to make quick comments. Just remember, it works when Zoom is the active window. So if you've clicked into another app, tap back into Zoom before holding space. A few tips to keep in mind. This setting is sticky, which means once you check it, it stays on for future sessions until you turn it off. It helps with privacy, background noise, and keeping meetings professional. If you ever join a meeting and don't hear a response, glance at the toolbar to confirm whether you're muted. Also, if you switch microphones or headsets, the setting still applies. It only controls your mute state, not your device selection. That's it. With that one checkbox, you'll enter every Zoom meeting muted and in control, and the spacebar option gives you quick, momentary unmute whenever you need it.